Okay, this is an overview of my completed top bar Beehive. I'll show you what it looks like on the inside out. There's the front, see the upper and lower entrance. Later on, it's not there yet, but there's going to be a landing board that's going to be installed on the front. And this side here has got the observation windows, which I'll show you later on in this here. Take it off top. See our top bars here. Come guys are installed, and it's just a thin strip of wood pressed into a groove with some glue to hold it in there. Show you the inside. That's what it looks like inside right there. Right there is the false back divider. Because when you start a colony, you always want to start them at the front, and then as they build one come out to another, and just move it back gradually until they fill the hive up. Here's the bottom right there inside. There's the entrance. Thing's approximately 4 feet long. Has more space than 3 Langstroth deep hive bodies. And now, the fun part here is this. To remove the panel to observe the bees, just twist these buttons. And this comes out, and here it is. You'll be able to safely watch them through this window. And it's also a good way to watch make sure the bees are not building any crust coming. There's the false back, and this is what it looks like up inside. Like the other hive I built this year, which has a colony in it. The window in this one is a lot bigger than that other one, which has that little teeny one right here. This is a much bigger window. And then you're done, just put it back in here. Give a tight fit though, but that's good. And twist the buttons back in place. There's also another window on this side too. It's actually just 2 windows in it. There's the inside right there. It's hard. See, there's all this wood dust on here. Sorry about that. And now the debris tray is held in with these. All I gotta do is just pull this out like this on both sides. These pins out on both sides of these pieces of wood. Pull that out. This thing will drop down and allow me to clean any debris that's in or out. I'll show you how that works. I didn't want to come out. Being stubborn, don't want to come out on me. I'll set this down a little bit. Okay, I got it out. So this will drop down like this, both sides. There you go, just like that. And there's the debris tree right there. It'll be really cool because then I'll be able to look up inside the hive too, like this. I'll be able to look up in there and see the bees at work. There it is. Painting real slowly all the way across. There it is. It's all my bars right there. Now it closes back up now. Put the pins back in this case, an old bolt on this side here. And over here, this piece of wood. There you go. The only thing I do now is just give this thing a final painting job and take it up on the hill, put it in the bee yard, and either do a colony cut removal or, better yet, get a swarm. I got planned to build a couple more of these things too. Enjoy.